A warm welcome to you and thank you for viewing this video. This video briefly describes the temple's history, architecture, unique aspects, temple open timings, transportation facilities by buses, trains and flights. Kindly subscribe to the channel and like and share the video, which in turn will help us giving you more quality videos. Thank you once again. Darbaranyeshwara Temple is a Hindu temple in the village of Tirunallarur, Karaikal district in the Union Territory of Pondicherry, India. More popularly known as Tirunallar Sanishwaran Temple, dedicated to Lord Shiva, the temple serves as a unique Navagraha Sthalam where the planet Saturn or Shani is worshipped. Lord Sanishwaran is the doorkeeper here for Shiva and is believed you can only see Lord Shiva after seeking blessing from Sanishwaran. This is a Parihara Sthalam and one of the 9 Navagraha temples in Kumbakonam. The temple remains open from 6 a.m. to 1 p.m. and 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. 6 pujas are conducted here in this temple on a daily basis. Usha Kalam happens between 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. Kalasandhi Puja is conducted from 8:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. Uchikala Puja is conducted from 11 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Saya Rakshay Puja is conducted from 5 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. Irandam Kalam Puja is conducted from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Ardhajamam Puja is conducted from 8:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. Various Seva and Darshan tickets can be bought at the temple premises or online from the temple's official website. You can see a list of Sevas with the fees here in the below table.
ॐ काकध्वजाय विद्महे खड्गहस्ताय धीमहि
Festivals are celebrated here in this temple. Sani Payachi is the most celebrated festival of the Sanishwaran temple. It is a 2 day long festival conducted every 2.5 years when Shani or Saturn changes its position. Shivaratri is celebrated during the months of February-March every year. The traditional Brahmotsavam festival during the Vaigasi month is also celebrated. Tamil and English New Year's, Deepavali, Kartigai Deepam, Pongal are the days when special pujas are performed in this temple. The temple management operates affordable rooms that offer basic amenities for the devotees. Advance booking can be made online at the temple's official website. Daily Annadana is arranged for the devotees near the temple. Donations for Annadana service can be made at the temple premises or online at the temple's official website. Legend has it that in ancient times, the place where the temple is situated was dense forest of Darbar grass, and thus Shiva is worshipped here as Darbaranyeshwarar. The idol of Lord Shiva here depicts him performing one of the 7 dance forms of Shiva himself, and therefore the temple is one of the Saptavidanga Sthalams. The lingam worshipped here is a Swayambhu lingam, which means it is not man-made, rather it is a self-manifested lingam. Sanishwaran is the son of Chaya Devi and Lord Surya. As per Hinduism, Sanishwaran is believed to have profound influence on one's life. There is an interesting legend behind this temple which proves the effects of Shanishwaran, and it goes like this. King Nala, who was a great ruler and was gifted with all the happiness in life, at some point of his life, he fell under the influence of Elarai Sani or Sadesat and lost his kingdom, separated from his children and wife, and walked and wandered on streets like a beggar. That is when Bharadwaja Muni, a sage, asked him to visit Tirunalluru and worship Darbaranyeshwarar. It was only after a dip in the holy tank here that he got free of the effects of Sanishwaran. Shiva, after this, asked him to stay there and bless all his devotees. In this temple, you can see Sanishwaran pose his hands as Abhayahasta, which means he offers blessings to his devotees. The Darbaranyeshwara temple is also known as a place where Lord Shiva passed the knowledge of Vedas and Shastras to Lord Brahma. means the principal deity Darbaranyeshwarar or Lord Shiva, his consort Praneshwari or Sri Ambal, Sanishwaran, and several other gods and goddesses enshrined here bless the devotees. Hundreds of them visit this temple daily. There are several sacred tanks here and are said to possess healing powers. They are Brahma Tirtha, Vani Tirtha, Hamsa Tirtha, Agastya Tirtha, Nala Tirtha. Devotees can take a dip at the holy tank. Changing rooms are available close to the holy tanks. The Tala Vriksha here is the Darba plant or Pusa grass. There is a beautiful five-tiered Rajakopuram adorned with terracotta sculptures as we enter the temple. As we go around the temple, shrines of Kalatinadar and Karpaga Vinayagar are there. The idols of 63 Nayanmars, including the four great Siva saints, are present at the turn of the southern prakara of the temple, and an idol of Nala is housed in a separate shrine at the end of the gallery of the 63 Nayanmars. The idol of Lord Sanishwaran is seen in a graceful standing pose, housed in niche on the left side of the Lord Shiva's Sannidhi. He is shedding benevolence as he is wearing the aspect of Anugraham, and a perennial stream of bhaktas throng here to worship him and obtain his grace throughout the year. Lord Shanishwaran is very much sought after by millions of devotees on the day of the transition of the planet Saturn from one zodiac sign to another. This day is great occasion here and Abhishekas, Archanas, Pujas, Aradhanas and Naivedyas are offered to the Lord continuously for mitigation of the scorching effects his influence has on those to pass through Sanidasha or Sade Sati or in their lives. Since it takes nearly 3 decades to complete one orbit around the Sun, he is reckoned as a slow-moving planet. The name Sanaichara means slow-moving. His vehicle is Crow. The color of his planet too is black. According to astrology, Saturn is the lord of the houses Makra or Capricorn and Kumbha or Aquarius. He is exalted in the house of Tula or Libra and is Ayur Karaka, or in other words, governs our lifespan. Sesame is his favorite seed, and cooked rice mixed with sesame is the favorite Naivedya. It is also believed that lamps with gingerly oil lighted before him reduces the intensity of his malefic effects, and Saturday being his day in the week, the offerings on that day of gingerly oil lamps and sesame rice bring to the devotee great virtues besides getting the Saturn's influence mitigated if they happen to be affiliated by it. The temple can be reached by road, train, and flight. The temple is well connected by road. Regular buses and taxis are available. It is 100 kilometers from Tanjavur, 135 kilometers from Pondicherry, and 168 kilometers from Trichy. The nearest railway station is Nagur railway station at 10 kilometers. Tiruchirappalli International Airport is about 168 kilometers from the temple.
काकध्वजाय विद्महे खड्गहस्ताय धीमहि तन्नो मन्दः प्रचोदयात् ॐ काकध्वजाय विद्महे खड्गहस्ताय धीमहि तन्नो मन्दः प्रचोदयात्